I usually use a Padfolio to take notes, but I'm switching to this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just ordered this from Etsy because I found someone who makes a high quality piece here, and it says, woo, it's here, and I'm excited too. It's by Holly Hand Stitched. Good on her. As I open this up, I want to tell you that many of us have a Padfolio, something with like your legal pad that you can take notes on, and I've used those for years and years, but I am switching to this, and I'm switching for one major reason. So here's the problem that I think a lot of us have, and we don't even realize it. A Padfolio like this is pretty nice. Now, you can open this up, take some notes, really big writing surface, but the problem is when you open this up, you are doubling the amount of space that it's taking up in front of you. This is like a placemat, and it's really large. Now, throw in the obligatory work laptop next to it, and now I've got a laptop here. I've got this huge space for writing and taking my notes. I'm taking up twice my body width right here, and it's not leaving me a lot of space. Now, think about you're sitting around a work table or a conference table, and you've got someone else sitting next to you with a notepad and a laptop too. All of a sudden, space is at a major premium, and you're encroaching on everyone else's territory. That's where the StenoPad comes in. Look how much smaller it is. Even when opened and laid down on the table, it takes up a fraction of the space of the portfolio. So let's take a look at this potentially better option. But this by Holly is a leather stitched StenoPad, and I want to just show it to you. She's actually got all the packaging in here to make sure that it comes to me in pretty nice condition. And what I want to show you is that this is just a beautiful leather. It's nice and thin, which is nice too, but obviously you can get it in some different colors. I ordered it in black. I thought that would be nice. And then there are some little metal edges right there, so hopefully that will keep it from fraying. Then also on the back here, we have this elastic band, and that's because I can just wrap it around the front, and now I don't have to worry about this flopping open. I will say that StenoPads are bigger than I thought. This is actually a fairly large pad here, which is great because if you want to take notes, you can do that. Now, I want to flip it open here, and I do want to show you here we have a couple of things. First of all, there's no StenoPad in here. I've ordered a few, and actually most of them are like 2 columns. I'm not sure why they do that, but probably makes sense. Actually, if that's what you want, then you can order just any StenoPad, but I ordered just a ruled StenoPad. Just looks like a small legal pad. And then we have a little sleeve right here, so you'll put the back of the pad in there and it'll hold it in place. We also have a little elastic pen holder right there, which I love. Holds it off to the side. The material in here is like cloth. It's actually pretty nice. And then if we get up here to the top, I know this will kind of be upside down, but we have some pockets here. So if you have some business cards, those would go up there. If you have some brochures, note cards, things like that, you can put them in there. Your receipts, you know, folded up paper, what have you. And then she also sews her own little tag in here. Thanks, Holly. I appreciate that. Holly's one of my favorite names, by the way. Every Holly I've ever met has just been super hot. I don't know why that is, but it's probably the same for you with names like Peter. So this is pretty cool, and what I love about this is that I can put my StenoPad in here. It's not that big. I can carry it just like an iPad here. And then when I do need to sit down in a meeting, take notes, I can take this and flip it all the way over the top and put it down right in front of me. And I don't have, as I mentioned, that Padfolio spread all the way open, taking up all the space in front of me, especially if you have an iPad or a laptop or something like that. You know, you just don't have a lot of real estate, especially if you're sitting at a conference table or a desk or a table at Starbucks or whatever, or a table at Denny's like I am. So conserving the real estate that you do have is really important. Take my notes, not take up any more space than the notepad needs to take up. Flip it closed like this. Put the strap around it, make sure it's sealed up so it's not going to flop open, I'm not going to lose anything, and be able to take notes when I want to. So, low-tech solution. You don't need a Remarkable, a books tablet, an iPad, anything like that. Old school still works. And this cover gives it that luxury executive look, and I think is a huge improvement over Padfolios. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to Holly's handmade Etsy store in the description below so that you can save space, take notes, be productive, and look good. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever things to be.